Hi everyone, today we're opening up my favorite box, Goddess Provisions. So I don't know what the theme is, but every month there is a theme with this box. It's all about spirituality and the items are always awesome. It's $33 a month. I highly recommend it. Out of all the spiritual boxes, you really get like high quality things for a lower price. Some can be a little bit pricey, and they use all like recycled materials. It's all vegan, and they plant a tree for every box sold. I love this box. Let's get it open. Ooh. Make magic everywhere. And I love that you can use this little handout that talks about the items inside as an art print. I have them all over, like I can see two right now on my shelf right here. So I definitely keep them, and I like to still have like the information on the items inside. So love this. Make magic everywhere. Sacred space is the theme. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Normally I know a spoiler or two, but I don't think I know any of them. So let's just jump right into it. Zodiac Archetypes Brass Wall Hanging. Oh, this is kind of weighty. Oh my god, this is awesome. This is a $33 value, so this alone. Oh my god, I got something like this forever ago, but it was moons. Where should I put that? Or what am I thinking of? I don't know. But this is amazing, you guys. I am so freaking stoked. I'm really into astrology. I'm actually in astrology school. But I mean, I just love this stuff. So it goes through the zodiac. We got Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo. Wait, did I mix it up? Virgo. Okay, some of them look different to me. Libra. I know them, I promise. Scorpio, Sag. Then we have here Capricorn, Aquarius, and last but not least, Pisces. I love this. Oh my god, where should I put it in my place? I can use it for like background in my tarot videos. By the way, if you guys like tarot and spirituality, please subscribe to my second channel, Kitty Outside the Box. We're slowly getting closer to 1,000 subscribers. It would make me really happy. I appreciate it so much if you're into it. But anyways, let's keep going. Oh my god, this is jam-packed with stuff. Bali Pura Crystal Infused Mist Space Clearing. Oh, I love stuff like this. Energetic cleansing for home and workspaces. Of course, it's vegan, ethical, cruelty-free, like everything in their boxes. It's also free of palm oil. A smokeless smudge spray. Okay, awesome. And it says on here it was blessed on full moon by Balinese priestess. Produced on sacred spring water under the phases of the moon and the elements. Infused with energies of the herkimer, diamond, citrine, amber, selenite, and black tourmaline. And then there's an essential oil blend of tea tree, lemon, lavender, sage, and clary sage. And then you can reuse your bottle once empty. I love that they suggest that. I am so excited. Oh my god, yes, because I do use smoke, like sometimes like I use Palo Santo and stuff, but I try not to use smoke too much because I'm in a smaller space. I have a cat. When I do, I open up all the windows. But I had like a wasp in here earlier, and I'm not scared of them anymore. I was able to get it out fine, like, you know. But I don't want to keep my windows open all the time. I live on a lake, and it is summertime in Florida. Okay, can I get this open? Yes. How much is this one? This is $14. Remove stagnant energy. Yes. Oh, pretty too. It has a little top in there. Aura spray, crystal infused space clear mist. I'm just gonna take a little sniff. It smells clean. Is it like Florida water in there? I don't know. No, I don't think so. I think it's essential oils. It like literally smells clean, and it's cute too. I'm super excited about this. Awesome. And like I said, there's a. I can put this on there. Oh, and there's a code in here to save and some information too. I kind of opened it funky. Yay! And then incense. I use one incense to like in the mornings when I open up the windows. That's what I was just talking about that. But that's what I do. It's a little bit cooler. Jasmine and cedarwood incense. 18 to 20 sticks. And it gives some instructions. I love that it comes with this little. Okay, gotta do another sniff. Smells good. I'm super excited about this. And this is $14 as well. Can you guys see this? What's this? Ooh. It's a little wall hanging. Yin yang. Let's see. Yin yang decorative. By freaking love this. I love this box, you guys. You get so much good, high quality stuff. This is kindly sent to me free for review, but it's not sponsored or anything like that. Just FYI, I forgot to say that in the beginning. This is made by God's Provisions. It has a $22 value, 100% cotton. Oh my gosh. It is so cute. I am so excited. I love the colors. And we get a stone every time. Oh my god, do you see what's left? What is that? That's so cute. It's fluorite? No, it's, oh, what is this? I love getting my, sorry, I got a little excited. I couldn't speak. I love getting stones I don't already have. This is chrysoprase. Am I saying that right? It says, use this powerful stone to welcome abundance into your life. Yes, please. And help heal your inner child. Yes, I love this. Chrysoprase can also help to welcome joy and happiness into your life. This is a perfect crystal to add to your money altar. Oh, I have one of those. And can be placed in water for a short period of time. I'm going to add it to mine for sure. And I can cleanse it with my incense. Oh my gosh. And it's so pretty. Yay. Am I saying that right? Someone will correct me, right? And then let's get this out. This is a pillowcase. Oh my god, yes! I need one for my, I can always use one. Ooh, this might be good for my bedroom. Mind's Eye pillowcase. Isn't this box cute? We're gonna get that out of the way. Hi, Annie. Did you see her say hi back? Yeah, I think this color would look good in my bedroom, but we're gonna put this. Look at this. Oh, how beautiful. So it's just like a 16 by 16 or 18. Oh my gosh. The colors are so great. This is more the color scheme in my bedroom. I have like more bright colors out here. Super stoked. It's got a brand new like gray like linen blanket. So this is $44. It fits 16 to 18 inch pillow inserts. It says bring the magic. Yeah, I love this. Bring the magical properties of the third eye into your home with this mystical pillowcase. And remind you to trust your intuition and let go of what no longer serves you. You guys, this was an amazing box with super high value. And then they also have like a blog on their website. And there's some coupon codes and it talks more about this here. And then here, don't think I mentioned everything, did I? I think I did. They have a referral program. And again, you get like the art print as well. I loved all of this. It's not really presented in some way that can do it justice right here. But I'm super excited. Sorry for not laying this out all pretty. I love this so much. Let me know what you think. And I can't wait to go use all of this. So stoked. Thank you guys, Provisions. This is seriously my favorite box. There's like a few close contenders, but this has been a long time favorite and it continues to just impress me every single month. I can't wait to use all of this. And I'm so happy, and I'm so happy you guys are here. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and check out Kitty Outside the Box. I will link that down below if you haven't already. But yeah, have a great day. Love you. Bye. Oh, and if you're still here, there's a giveaway in yesterday's Ipsy video. Psst. Bye.